Hi, I'm Mike Duncan, National Account Manager for Activant Solutions, here to tell you about Eagle Price Formulas. It's an enhancement that came out in Release 19 and was probably overlooked with all the other enhancements that we have in many of our releases. So if you're on 19 or above, you can take advantage of this great enhancement. So the first thing we want to do is jump right into our Eagle browser and make sure our system is configured for Eagle price formulas. And I went into my options by typing OPT. You can type options or navigate through the menu. And I'm going to do a search for option 1092. And yes, my system is configured for enhanced price formulas. So that's the first place you got to check and make sure it's all set up. After you configure your system options to use price formulas, you can go into your IPC, your item price change file. Now I've preloaded some information. It's set up for this demonstration, and you'll see why it's important the way I have it set up here in a second. The biggest difference here right now is that I have the same department, but I have two different classes in here, and that will become important here in a minute. So I'm going to set up a price formula, and fortunately I've set up a test formula already. Zoom that in a little bit. And I'm going to decipher what these columns mean for you. So the way I have this particular formula set up is I'm going to use my retail field. I'm going to update my retail field. I'm going to use a markup method, although you can set it up to use a different type of price management method. Just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to calculate percentage of 75% so I can actually see a nice big change in there. I'm going to use my new or incoming price for my replacement cost, and then I'm going to mark up from there. So that's really what those columns mean. The nice thing here is that if I wanted to add a waterfall type or multiple rules within this one formula, I can do that. I can just go ahead and click down in the detail area, click add, and I can set up a whole nother formula that would go in maybe one more layer below this formula, and again, that's where things can get kind of interesting with formulas. I'm just going to show you the brief overview of price formulas, and then you can go from there. Once we have our formula built, again, we can load in our IPC. I'm going to show you a manual method, but then you'll see how you can quickly apply this in RPC if you're automatically updating prices via like a spreadsheet, or if you're having your incoming price change file from your wholesaler, you can apply an automated RPC to update your prices for the items that you want. So what we're going to do is a manual method. I'm going to do a calculate prices and costs, and for my type, I'm going to use my price formula. I'm just going to set everything else, leave everything else the way it is, and you'll see that my date will actually update when I apply this. And right there's my date effective has changed. For RPC purposes, and you can see that I did not impact my class of 171. However, I did update my class of 163. Again, price formulas, because of price formulas and the way that I had my particular formula set, I selected department and class. I could go even deeper than that. I can set up user codes. So you can mix and match, pre-configure these price formulas, and really automate a lot of your price management. Now, if I wanted to, I can use price formulas in RPC, set that in my queue, and have a good day. So anyways, that is a very, very brief overview of price formulas. If you want some help implementing this, please contact Activant Direct, your LPS or professional service consultant at 1-800-538-8597, or you can email me and I'll make sure we get somebody in touch with you to help assist in the implementation of this. Thanks for joining and have a great day.